we are able to successfully support Arduino UNO R4 egg in PictoBlox. Hello friends, so welcome to the final video I guess for this communication series, and today we are going to see how we can implement Arduino UNO R4 egg in PictoBlox. So are you excited? So I want to draw a smiley in the Arduino UNO R4 matrix, the inbuilt matrix, and for that I need to find out a suitable block which can make some meaning. Like I should not send a set digital pin high and it should give a smiley. That doesn't make sense. So I want to make it little dramatic. So let's take a write display. So write display is to write something on a LCD display, but I will use it for a different purpose because now it's in my hand. I can do anything what I want. So let me do smile please. So it makes sense, right? If I say smile please and the Arduino smiles, that makes sense, right? So I want to use that. So let me crack what is the code for this. I click and this is the code. So this is the code I have to remember. The rest of the things I don't care for now. So yeah, this one I will remember, and let's disconnect all the connections and connect our Arduino UNO R4. Disconnect, and then take this out. Now we need a type C code because now I will connect here. It's connected. And what should I do? So let's concentrate on this part for now. And now it is Arduino UNO R4 Wi-Fi, and port number is, what is the port number? Let's see. COM16, yeah. So COM16 I believe is the port number, and let's upload a blink code just to see things are functional. It's very easy, right? So if you first see all things are well in the base, and then you implement your thing, you can very easily catch where the problem is. So first of all, the basic things should work. So let's flush it. And Arduino UNO R4 has backward compatibility, so it has all the thing what UNO R3 supports. So the same pin number 13, you will get a LED blink. That's the hope. Let's see. Compiling. See, not connect. Okay. See, it's the ESP32 style because it has. Yeah. Okay. So, do you see it blinking? Yeah, it's blinking. That means Arduino UNO R4 is connected and codable. Now, how to draw a smiley in the Arduino UNO R4? We'll not spend much time on that. We'll just go to example, and then matrix, and display single frame, and this is the code. So I want to keep the happy and want to delete everything, but I want to keep the matrix clear also. So I am looking for this happy because I want to keep it happy and not nothing, so that nothing is the clear, so that I can switch between happy and not happy or nothing. So this two code, and let's run it one time, and you see, if I can hold it, see the smiley is blinking. It's a blinking smiley. Okay, so now let's merge the code, but before merging, let me show you one thing. This is the Arduino UNO R4 egg, and I will try to connect it in PictoBlox. So I select Arduino UNO, which is R3, and go there and try to connect Arduino UNO R4. So I'm saying Arduino R3, but I'm connecting R4, and it's not allowing. So that means there is a way to find out that are you Arduino UNO R3, because the user has told me you are the 3, but that guy is able to communicate. He's able to tell, no, I am Arduino UNO R4, and then he's saying, okay, something went wrong, I cannot allow you, and that's the blocking. So if it happens, then how can you implement a new board in PictoBlox? There is a way. The way is using Bluetooth. So if you connect through serial port, it is going to check. If you connect through Bluetooth port, it will not check. It will just simply send a simple serial command without asking whoever you are. I am sending you just do it, whatever you want to do, and that's what we want. Okay, so for that, and keeping in mind one more thing, Arduino UNO R4 or R4 has a change from R3, and that is on the serial port. In R4 serial port, the RX and TX is disconnected from the USB RX and TX. That means there are two in the USB serial port RX and TX, whatever through which the datas are coming into the Arduino UNO R4, and the pin number 0 and 1, which is again a serial port, they are not the same. So that way they have decoupled it, and now you can use independently 0 and 1, and you don't have to worry about it. So let's take advantage of that. So what I will do, I will take the Bluetooth, this Bluetooth device. Okay, so this is the Bluetooth device. I have a different video how to set up this or the Bluetooth device to be compatible with PictoBlox. I will share you the link. So for now, given that you can communicate through this, let's connect it. So I'm connecting the VCC. This is the VCC with the 5 volt and ground. Let me put it in, yeah, and then ground with the GND, and this time I want a direct communication, not hacking or not sniffing. So really I will put RX with TX and also TX with RX. He's impersonating Arduino UNO R3, and this is the connection. And you see, if I can flip it the other side, the Bluetooth device has started working. So if it started working, I should be able to find it from the other side. But let me finish the code and then I will connect it. So now what we will do is, so there are two serial ports, right? Now we have this serial, just serial, and a new serial object came which is called serial 1, and this is the thing from Gemini. You see, serial 1 is actually the physical pin 0 and 1 through which I have connected my Bluetooth device and the serial data going to come. So I should use serial 1 and not serial. Okay, so this have to be serial 1 for me, and from the previous code I have to take few line here. So what I'm doing, serial 1, which is the physical pin 0 and 1, connecting, and then in while loop I'm checking if any data came in the pin number 0 and 1, and leave all this thing, stitching as usual, and then need to stop this with the delay, yeah, and I want to keep the documentation also, let it be. Okay, so now outside the if, you need to read that, right? And what you want to read, that very old working code. So this is the the decoded value, right? This is the decoded value, and if you want to use the serial port, it is independent. You can use it independently in Arduino, but let's not think about it right now. Let's not make it complicated. Let's let it be only the matrix will blink. Okay, and yeah, remove everything. This one is if, so I want to indent this and done. So serial 1 is what we're looking for, because the data is coming through Bluetooth, not through the USB, and we are ready let's flush the code. We'll prepare the PictoBlox in the meantime. Let it be here and let it upload. So this is the code I'm going to run. Instead of I want anything versus that particular message, right? The message is in Arduino, right, to display, and the message is smile please. So, and to make it smile please, and put it here. So this is the code: smile and don't smile, smile blank, smile blank. That's the one. So now I'm going to connect. Yeah, this is uploaded. So yeah, see, this is the Bluetooth device it detected, and you have to follow my previous video, another video, not in this channel, but I'll share you the link in this same description. You can follow how to configure a Bluetooth and then connect. And do you see? Oh, see, it's connected. So now we selected the board Arduino Uno, but it is connected to Arduino UNO R4 egg and thinking it's Arduino Uno. And then in this situation I will click this button and you see what's going on. Smile, no smile, smile blank, smile blank. So we are able to successfully support Arduino UNO R4 egg in PictoBlox. And this is just one single command, and you can write many more if, else if, else if, else if, else if, and support as many you want. And that's all what we want, right? We don't have any Arduino UNO R3 in the middle. He's now the direct guy connecting and communicating with Arduino UNO, the PictoBlox. And that's what was our objective, to learn if we understood the communication properly. I understand you might have some difficulty in understanding serial 1 and serial. That's a new inclusion in the Arduino UNO R4. Maybe you can check some materials or ping me. I will give me my WhatsApp number. I can explain you offline. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this whole series. Please let me know. I would love to know your feedback, and that will help me a lot to make such video in future. Thank you so much. Thank you.